Craving waffles that are light, bursting with deliciousness, and loaded with protein? Today, we're making high-protein waffles that are perfect for a family-friendly breakfast. This recipe is hands down one of our all-time breakfast favorites. Whether you're fueling up after a workout, prepping meals for the week, or just making a breakfast the kids can't get enough of, these waffles deliver big on flavor and fun. Stay tuned for a simple recipe upgrade that fuels your body and satisfies your cravings, all in one bite. More than just a breakfast favorite, these waffles are crafted to supercharge your daily protein intake, while staying irresistibly fluffy, soft, and absolutely delicious. Let's start with the ingredients. For the dry ingredients, grab 2 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Or use sugarcane if you prefer a more natural option. Then add 4 scoops of unflavored collagen protein powder for that extra protein boost. Collagen protein isn't just a protein boost. It supports healthy skin, joints, muscles, and bones, making it a powerful addition to your daily routine. For the wet ingredients, you'll need 2 large eggs, separated, plus 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of milk. If you're avoiding dairy, go ahead and swap in 2 cups of oat milk instead, or swap in 2.5 cups of your favorite protein shake instead of milk. Perfect for you and your energetic, sports-loving crew. This quick snack fuels fun and keeps everyone satisfied. In a large bowl, stir together all the dry ingredients. Don't forget the protein powder for that extra boost. In another bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and milk or protein shake. In a third bowl, beat your egg whites until they're soft and fluffy. It's the secret to achieving those perfectly fluffy, airy waffles just like your favorite bakery. Now mix your wet and dry ingredients just until well combined. Then add and gently fold in your whipped egg whites. Don't overmix. It's that airy fold that gives your waffles a soft inside and crispy edge. Preheat your waffle maker, spray it with oil, and ladle in your batter. Spread the batter and be careful not to overfill. At this time, if desired, you can add some chocolate chips. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes or until golden brown and crisp. Add a burst of fruity goodness with toppings like antioxidant-rich blueberries or mango slices loaded with vitamin C. Top these beauties with maple syrup, whipped cream, or a generous amount of peanut butter. Whether you're cooking for kids, this waffle hack delivers big on taste, texture, and nutrition. If you're all about easy recipe hacks and flavor that fuels, tap that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more high-protein recipes and smart kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching.